They absorbed his teachings, integrated them into their own methodologies, and incorporated his insights into their respective legal schools. The profound impact of Imam al-Sadiq's teachings on Sunni jurisprudence can be seen in the Hanafi, Maliki, Shafa'i, and even the Hunbali schools of thought. His teachings contributed to the development of legal principles, methodologies, and the understanding of hadith. Imam Jafar al-Sadiq's legacy extends far beyond sectarian lines. His teachings served as a bridge, uniting scholars from different backgrounds and laying the foundation for a rich Islamic legal tradition that continues to thrive to this day. In conclusion, Imam Jafar al-Sadiq's profound impact on Sunni jurisprudence through his teachings exemplifies the unity and interconnectedness of Islamic scholarship. Let us remember and honor his contributions as we continue to seek knowledge and understanding in our diverse and vibrant Muslim community.